Welcome back to this channel. Today in this video, we want to look at a very intriguing topic. This topic is intriguing in the sense that it's a word that you must have come across several times, but perhaps without, understanding or appreciating the legal implication of this particular word. This same word has put a lot of people in difficult situations. It has led to some people serving jail term as well as the death of some people. This same word you must have heard 1,000 times or perhaps even 1,000,000 times. What is this word? It's an 8-letter word, and that is the word stealing. What does the law say about stealing? Well, the law has not left us in doubt as to the definition or the meaning of stealing. If you look at section 383 sub 1 of the Criminal Code, applicable in southern Nigeria, the word stealing is defined, or it says or provides that a person would have said to have stolen. This is in basic terms now. If the person or when the person takes anything capable of being stolen, fraudulently, or the person fraudulently converts anything capable of being stolen for his or her own personal use, or a person takes anything capable of being stolen for the use of another person, fraudulently, of course. Now, how would the court deduce the intention of the person who takes anything capable of being stolen? How would the court determine fraud? And the question is important because in the three scenarios given, you hear the word fraudulently, 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 repeatedly. How then does the court deduce that a fraudulent intention is present in the action of the person who is alleged to have taken something capable of being stolen? Well, before we proceed to, determining how the courts would come to a determination that fraudulent intention can be imputed into the conduct of the accused person, now, it's important that I bring this to your attention. And that is the fact that this channel requires your support to grow. And you can support the growth of this channel by subscribing to this channel and clicking on the notification button as you do so. And thank you very much if you've already subscribed to this channel. Now, with that said, let's move on to how does the court usually, determine or deduce or deem the action of the person who is alleged to have taken something capable of being stolen. How does the court deduce fraud? 1. Section 383 sub 2 gives us an answer. It provides that the court can deem, or fraudulent intention can be deemed, when the person who takes anything capable of being stolen takes that thing with the intention to permanently deprive the owner of the thing in it. It also provides that intention or fraudulent intention will be deemed when a person takes anything capable of being stolen, or fraudulently, of course, with the intention to utilize that thing as a pledge or as a security. So take, for instance, a person takes anything capable of being stolen. It could be a phone, it could be a gadget, it could be anything, with the intention to utilize that thing as a pledge or as a security for something else. And then it also provides that the court can deem, or fraudulent intention will be deemed, when a person takes anything capable of being stolen, if it is money, with the intention to use it at his or her own will, and then even though the person has the intention to repay the money at a future date. Simply what this means is that if a person takes money, even though the person has an intention to refund the money or repay the money, but the person takes the money with the intention to use it at his or her own will, monies that do not belong to that person, fraudulently, fraudulent intention can be imputed into the activity or the action of that person. Well, section 383 sub 2 that I've just quoted provides 6 scenarios. This video has just dealt with 3, and that's why you need to stick around for the next video so that you get to understand the other 3 areas or the other 3 scenarios given by the provisions of section 383 sub 2 and the explanations as well as other important aspects on the word or the topic stealing. See you next time.